In this video, we are going to be talking about putting a radius step in at the bottom, and we will get started by telling you that all of the treads and risers need to be the exact same size, or at the most 3/8 of an inch. Maximum variations are allowed in the depth of the tread and the height of the riser, which means something like this probably isn't going to work. However, I would check with your local building authorities to verify whether or not they will allow it, because this right here does create more than a 3/8 of an inch variation at the corner here. And you're probably saying, hey, what's the big deal? No one's ever going to step here anyway. And you could be right. I am not here to tell you that something like this will ever create a safety problem, because it is not extending past what I would consider to be the edge of the stairway. However, if you do have a radius or curve that would be extended past the side or edge of a flight of stairs, then you might not have a problem. And I've seen this done plenty of times. And if that doesn't make sense, here's another example. So we have a 10-inch tread and a 10-inch tread here, the depth. Now I'm going to move it just a little bit. Still not a problem. If I take and move it a little more, remember I need 3/8 of an inch to be a problem. And as a decimal, that I believe is 0.375. I move it one more time. Now I have a problem. It's more than 3.75. And this is the section you cannot remove. I cannot remove a section out of a stairway. I can't remove it out of the bottom step here. I can't put a radius in here because it's going to create a variance problem. So again, most of the time I'm going to be able to extend past it, but I'm not going to be able to remove a section of it. And thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, let us know by hitting the thumbs up button or letting us know in the comment area.